Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us learn about the JDBC API. So in the last video, we have seen about the basic components of the web application, which contains front-end part, back-end part and database server. If we want to make a connection from the Java application to the database server, we make use of JDBC. Before going to learn about the JDBC API, let us see what all contents are presented in the JDBC course. JDBC course contains the first one API, JDBC architecture, steps of JDBC, types of platforms and stored procedures. What is the first one? That is API. Let us see one by one clearly. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Let us see where we will be using this API exactly. For example, let us take I have one application. I want to make a connection from application 1 to the remaining applications like application 2, application 3 and application 4. I want to make a connection. If I want to make a connection from one application to the another application, I can make use of API. Not only making a connection, I can transfer the data also by using this API. Let us see one real-time example how API will be transferring the data. For example, assume that we have registered for the Gmail account. What is the registration? In the registration, always your details will be inserted into the database server. All your details, whatever the details you are filling out in the registration form, those will be saved into the database server of that particular organization. Let us assume that we have one account in the Gmail, means in the Gmail organization database server, your details are available. Now, let us go with some other application registration. In this particular application, instead of giving all those details, I have some options here. I can register with the another accounts also. Now, I will be going with the option I want to register for this particular application by using the Gmail account. So, I will be clicking on this. In the registration, always your details must be inserted into the database part. So in this process, I am not filling my details here, but still your details must be inserted into the database server. So in this process, whenever I am clicking here, what happening is it will be making a connection to the database server of the Gmail account because your details are available here. You are not filling the details here. Instead of filling out these details here, you are clicking on the register with Gmail account. So your details are available here. It will make a connection to the database server of the Gmail organization, and from here your data will be transferred to the database server for which application you are registering by using API. So why we are discussing about the API in the JDBC part? Let us see next. So now here I have two applications. One is Java application, another one is database server. I want to make a connection between these two applications. So already we have learned if we want to make a connection between the applications, we make use of API. So here this is the JDBC API we are using because we want to make a connection from the Java application to the database server. So in Java, each and every API will be having one package. So JDBC API corresponds to java.sql package. In this particular package, we have all the required interfaces, classes and helper methods which are helpful to make a connection to the database server. So we need to import this particular package, and all the classes and interfaces will be presented in this particular package itself, whatever are useful to make a connection to the database server. In the next video, let us see how to make use of those interfaces and classes to make a connection to the database part. Let us see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.